Hello students, today we are going to see chapter number 7 cash book and its type of standard 11 commerce subject account. Today we are going to see bank book. Bank book means when the trader is maintaining more than one account in a bank, that is current account as well as saving account in one bank, or trader is maintaining more than one bank account, that is maybe in Bank of Baroda and SBI. So in that situation, to know the balance of all the bank account, he is maintaining bank book. So that type of bank book today we are going to see, and this is the 9th part of the video, and first to 8th part is linked in the description. Bank book means a book that we are preparing to maintain the bank account, and here it is same as cash book. So here the column will be same, like date, then we are going to write receipt number, then ledger folio, then whatever the bank is there, let's say SBI and BOB. So two column for two account, and then again for the credit side same column, that is date, payment, voucher number, ledger folio, and SBI and BOI. So that type of column we are going to prepare in a bank book. So here why there is a need of bank book? So here there are some advantages of preparing bank book. If we are preparing bank book, it is easy to know the balance of bank account at the end of the day or after particular period. The second advantage is it is very easy to reconcile the entry in a passbook as well as bank book. Again, whenever we want to know and we want to make the payment, that time it is very easy to confirm the amount of payment. So these are the some advantages of preparing bank book. So here is the sum, and in this sum we are going to prepare bank book of the traders. So here is the sum. Let's see illustration number 8. From the following transaction, prepare State Bank of India and Bank of India column bank book in the books of Mahipat Singh. So here we are going to prepare bank book where there are two banks, State Bank of India and Bank of India. Okay. So on August 2015 first opening bank overdraft. There is a overdraft in a SBI and bank balance in a BOI. So as we know that bank overdraft we are going to write down on credit side and balance we are going to write down on debit side. So here 2015 August 1st to balance brought forward. Balance of BOI will be 4,000, and the same 2015 August 1st by balance brought forward, and SBI will be 6,000 bank overdraft. In the column of SBI there will be an overdraft of 6,000. Now on date number 4, goods of rupees 4,000 sold, against that a check received which is deposited in SBI account. So here on 4th to sales account, and the check is received which is deposited in SBI. So here we are going to write down 4,000. Now on date number 5th, goods of rupees 6,000 purchased, against that a check of rupees 2,000 of BOI is issued and SBI check of rupees 4,000 issued. So from SBI check of rupees 4,000 and from BOI check of rupees 2,000 issued for the purchase. So on 5th by purchase account, so here for SBI it will be 4,000 and BOI it will be 2000. Okay. Now on date number 7, check of SBI of 1400 issued for salary. So salary is our expense, and for that we have issued a check of rupees 1400 by salary account, and check is issued from SBI. So here it will be 1400. Okay, now next. On date number 11, by interest rupees 500 and dividend rupees 2500 collected by SBI and credited in our account. So here we have received bank interest as well as dividend. So that is our income and it is going to be debited. On 11, 2, bank interest. Account. So that is 500. And here again on 11, 2, dividend account. And the amount is at 2500. Okay. Now let's see on date number 13. A check of rupees 7000 received from Anuj towards the payment of old debt which was deposited in BOI. So Anuj has made the payment and that is deposited in BOI to Anuj account. And check of rupees 7000. Now on date number 18, check of rupees 3000 issued from BOI account and deposited in SBI. So here the check is issued by BOI. So in the column of BOI, on the credit side we are going to write down. In the column of BOI, it is issued by BOI, so it will be credited to BOI account. And in the column we are going to write down by SBI account. And the same check is received by SBI. So here on the debit side we are going to write down in the column of SBI, and here we will write to BOI account, and date number is 18. So this is how we have to pass the entry for the to bank account. Okay. Now let's see on 18, check of rupees 3000 issued from BOI account and deposited in, that we already finished 18. Now 23, goods of rupees 2500 purchase for which a check of full amount is issued from BOI account. So here we have purchased the goods on 23 by purchase account, and that purchase of rupees 2500 payment is made through BOI account. On date number 26, machinery of rupees 6000 purchase for which check of 50% amount from SBI and remaining check is issued from BOI. So machinery purchase of rupees 6000. So for 3000 check of rupees SBI and for 3000 rupees check of from BOI issued. So for that on 26, by machine account, $3,000. So for that, so all the transactions are finished. Now we have to find out the balance. Let's find out the balance for that. Here for SBI we can see that the amount of credit side is more. So here we are going to make the total of credit side, that will be 6000, 4000, 1400 and 3000. It will be 14400. This is the 14,400 that we are going to take to the debit side. 14,400 from 14,400. If we are going to deduct 4,500, 2,500 and 3,000, so our remaining amount will be 4,400, and it is the 30 on date 30, as it is a August month. Last date is a 32. Balance carried forward. So this balance is called bank overdraft, and it will be carried forward to the credit side of the next month. Now let's find out the balance of BOI. So BOI, we can see that the total of the debit side is more. Then we are going to write down 11,000, and that 11,000 we are going to take to the credit side. 11,000 from 11,000. If we are going to deduct 2,000, 3,000, 2,500 and 3,000, balance will be 500, and this 500 is a bank balance. So here we are going to write down by balance carried forward. This balance will be on the debit side of next month. So here 2015 September 1st to balance brought forward, and here balance will be 500 in the column of BOI, and here this balance will be on the credit side. So here again 2015 September 1st, and here by balance brought forward, and amount will be 4,400. So this is how we supposed to prepare bank book. Thank you students for watching this video. You may note down this in your notebook.